Hello, welcome to today's program, Doing More in Less Time for Lawyers. I'm your host, Dan Siegel, and I'm going to be taking you through this program to give you tips about how to improve your efficiency, both in terms of setting up your productivity and using technology. So let's begin. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm an attorney. I'm a practicing attorney focusing on appellate writing, professional responsibility, and ethics. And I also operate a consulting firm where we work with lawyers dealing with their legal technology and improving their workflow. Because one of the questions I am always asked is, how do you get so much done? When I originally opened, I was a pure solo. And as a pure solo, I had to do everything myself. Well, doing everything yourself requires a lot of different skills, a lot of juggling, and in a world where we're so technology and email based, it's important to be able to be efficient. Over the years, even before I went out on my own, I had begun to develop the techniques and the tips that you're going to hear some of today. And I've presented them in a variety of different programs, one of which is a program called How to Do 90 Minutes of Work in 60 for Lawyers, which is sort of what this is based on. But this program is actually based on not only that, but a book that I co-authored with another technology and efficiency expert named Allison Shields called How to Do More in Less Time. And what we do is combine our expertise to provide information about how you can get the most out of your time, because you didn't go to law school in order to be a computer programmer. You didn't go to law school to push paper. You went to law school to represent clients. And to do so, you need to be able to use techniques that allow you to get the most out of your time. So that, as I was almost every night and have been since I've been out on my own, since 2005, I was home for dinner just about every night. And that was important. I was there for my family and I had a normal nighttime life. So let's talk about some of these things. There are lots of things that we classify as time wasters. And a lot of these are areas where you can certainly improve your productivity. Procrastinating. We all do that at some point. Poor delegation of work, where you don't delegate what should be delegated, often because you feel like you can do it better. That's a hard one to get past. Ineffective meetings. We all know how difficult it is with meetings and how much time gets wasted. Probably expanded even more by the fact that now our meetings are on Zoom. So not only do we have, it seems, more meetings, and every meeting seems to now be a video meeting, but in addition to having all of these meetings, we're taking up a lot of time with sort of chit chat. And while that's great when you need a break, it's not great when you're trying to get work done. Another time waster is perfectionism. At some point, you have to end whatever you're doing and move forward into another project, because perfection is the enemy in many ways to being very close. Clutter, paper, piles of things on your desk, and the inability to say no. And of course, interruptions, people knocking on your door, you knocking on their door, all of those types of things. And what we want to talk about, or as concepts, are that you want to be effective and efficient. And effectiveness is being able to do the right things, while efficiency is doing things the right way.